Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz 2020. You are watching the 25th match here in round one. The scores are St. Jago High on 35 points and Anchovy High on 9 points. You'll have noticed St. Jago picked up a point. The judges indeed accepted the answer to their question in their first minute. What is the amount of calories found in 1 gram of carbohydrates? 4.2 is indeed accepted. As we get into the buzzer challenge, teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, as usual, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast, clear answers, which could put you 1 step closer to winning the championship. Let's see, 4 minutes on the clock, please. And we begin with Bible knowledge. In which city did Rahab hide Jewish St. Jago High?
Jericho.
Correct. Biology. The hepatic artery is found in which organ of the St. Jago High?
Liver.
Correct. English language. Indicate the mood of the verb in this sentence. This road leads to the president's castle. Indicative. International affairs. A visual one. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person, please. That's Mette Frederiksen, the PM of Denmark. Chemistry. What chemical element has an atomic number of 35? St. Jago High.
Bromine.
Correct. Music and audio on teams. Listen to the following clip and identify the singers.
If I ever tell you about
St. Jago High.
Shakademos and Pliers.
Good. General knowledge. Which country would you visit if you wanted to see the Leaning Tower of St. Jago High?
Italy.
Correct. Spanish. Which time of year is La Pascua? St. Jago.
Easter.
That's right. Geography. Which 5-letter word starting with B is the name for a large naturally occurring commune? St. Jago High.
Bayou.
Correct. Community of flora and fauna. Theater and cinema. Visual. Teams, look at the following clip and identify this person, please. St. Jago High.
Hemsworth.
Chris Hemsworth.
That's right. Information technology. What is the name for a tiny picture that is displayed on a computer? St. Jago High.
Icon.
That's right. History. Give another name for the Allied invasion of France on June 6, 1940. St. Jago High.
D-Day.
Good. Mathematics. A roundabout at a major road junction is to be built. It has to have a minimum circumference of 188 meters. What is the corresponding minimum diameter to the nearest meter? 60 meters. Physics. If the current in a wire is 6 amperes, how much charge flows through it in 2 seconds? St. Jago.
3 coulombs.
12 coulombs. Sport or visual ones. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Anchovy High.
Daniel Best.
Pro football or correct Jamaican heritage. Which abolitionist founded the Kettering Free St. Jago High?
William Neal.
That's right. In Trelawney, French. Who is honored on this day annually? La Fête des Pères. St. Jago High.
Fathers.
Correct. Literature. Which industry of the Jamaican economy forms the backdrop of Trevor Roan's play, St. Jago High?
Tourism.
Smile Orange. Correct. Which Jamaican artist did the 2016 painting Goat Island for a marine park? Hope Brooks. Bible knowledge. Saul has slain his thousands, but David, St. Jago High.
Woman of Israel.
The women of Israel.
No, they sang which song? David's killing of Goliath. Biology. What is the name of the process where a single cell divides twice to produce 4 cells containing half? St. Jago High. Meiosis is correct. English language. Spell schism. St. Jago High.
SCHISM.
Correct. Local and international affairs. Who is the premier of the British Virgin? St. Jago High.
Sterling Cartwright Robinson.
Incorrect. Andrew Fahey. Chemistry. Identify the error in this statement. An anion is a negatively charged ion with less electrons than protons. Less should be fewer should be more. Music. Who won the 2019 BET Awards for Best Male Hip Hop? St. Jago High.
Drake.
Incorrect. The late Nipsey Hussle. General knowledge in Greek mythology. Which titan was forced to carry the sky on his shoulders as a St. Jago High?
Atlas.
Correct. Spanish. And that bell signifies the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of the match. Scores look to be St. Jago High on 59 points, Anchovy High on 11. We will double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.